Now this has to be one of my favorite headpieces. We have just made the same design for one of our gorgeous brides, Mika, in Japan. And we cannot wait to deliver this exquisite headpiece to her. We've just packaged it beautifully, and I truly hope she will love it. And it will make her feel like a queen on her special day, which is really our mission, to bring a little bit of happiness and lots of love to you, so that you feel cherished and exquisite on your big day and every day. Use this gorgeous headpiece as a bit of a reminder that you are worthy, that you are loved, that you deserve all the beautiful things in life. And the more you send those signals out to the universe, the more beauty, magic, wealth, and abundance comes down to you. Sending you so much love.